Earnings season is marching on, and we've got over 500 companies reporting this week, including some of our favorites. And how do they look on the earnings chart? That's what I brought today, so we can check out some of the hot names going this week and if you should be checking out the earnings. So let's jump right into it. First one is one that doesn't really get any love, but I know everybody's going to be watching it anyways, and that is Chipotle. So they are coming off a miss again last quarter. But, you know, the shares are off those lows. Will it stay there? I don't know. A lot has to do with those same store or same restaurant sales, as they'll call them. People want to know, are the customers, are they coming back or not? Like, that's a huge thing with Chipotle now, I think, for the stock to turn around. It's still not real cheap. It's still trading around 32 times. So, yeah, this could be an inflection point here for this earnings report. So let's be sure to tune in to check that out on the restaurant side. Then we're going to have one of the other fan favorites, Tesla. Like, nobody cares if they miss. That's not really the point. No one cares if they're making money. That's not really the point either. It's about how many orders are they getting and when will those cars roll off to the customers. Those are kind of the key things to watch here. As you can see, the stock is kind of holding up pretty well here, even though it's been choppy, but it's always a choppy ride with this one. But everyone will be tuning in because it's Tesla, of course. Then we're going to have one that maybe a lot of people overlook, but maybe they shouldn't after they see this chart, GrubHub, just the two misses. A lot of fears in there over the last couple of years that they were going to lose some of their edge either to an Amazon or an Amazon-like competitor, but they're still one of the top brands for the home delivery for the food from the restaurants. So this is one you want to tune in if you're interested in that food space on the delivery side and online food ordering. Then we're going to have one of the other big social media names that hasn't reported yet, Twitter. They've got a great track record here going back to 2014 without any misses. And those are huge beats, actually. Those big green arrows, that's the size of the beat. So pretty big, massive beats here. They are expected to make 40 cents this year in 2017, and then again in 2018 make 45 cents. So they are actually making some earnings here, and the shares are up on belief that maybe they might be bought out by someone, but we'll see. But as always, this will be one to watch. And then we're going to wrap it up with one of the apparel guys. And this is a name that everybody is watching now, especially now during the winter. This was their big quarter, the big holiday quarter, but they've beaten 3 times in a row here, Canada Goose. And we'll see if they can make it 4. Shares are spiking. They've been opening up stores, so it's not all just online and it's not just wholesale. They're opening up their own flagship stores. I know we have one here in Chicago now. It's real hot with consumers, with the shoppers, and with this cold weather, you want to buy one of their coats. I will admit it as myself, even though I don't own one. But the share's pretty pricey here, trading at 78 times now. Can it sustain this kind of heat? We'll see. These are just a few of the hot names reporting this week. As you can see, the charts are kind of all over the place, but a lot of them are going to be really interesting to see if they give some guidance to lead us into 2018 here with what they're seeing. So I'll be watching all of these and more all week. And you can also tune into the options trades on many of these with my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He's over on Zach's Live Trader on YouTube. So go to YouTube, put in Zach's Live Trader, and you'll find Dave explaining all the options trades on many of these hot stocks. You don't want to miss it. Be sure to tune in all during earnings season. We'll bring you all the coverage. I'll be back later with more this week and the rest of earnings season, so be sure to watch.